Can a backup cornerback, thrust into the biggest game of his life, actually perform better than the star he's replacing? Ex-Broncos safety Justin Simmons just dropped a bombshell, telling TMZ Sports that there will be no drop-off between injured QB Bo Nix and the unheralded Jarrett Stidham. This isn't just sideline chatter. Simmons, a 4X All-Pro, is making a bold prediction that has the sports world buzzing and fans questioning everything. Remember the nail-biting overtime thriller against the Bills where Nix went down, dramatically shifting the Super Bowl stakes? Now 29-year-old Stidham, with only 5 career starts under his belt, is set to lead the charge in the AFC Championship. Despite his inexperience, Simmons insists Stidham's ball accuracy and super quick reads will keep Denver firmly in the hunt, even suggesting the offense will just look a little different. Plus, Stidham's got serious cred, having learned from none other than GOAT Tom Brady during his Patriots days. Talk about a secret weapon. Simmons, a friend of Stidham's, is wholeheartedly confident Denver can beat the Patriots, revealing an incredible insider perspective on this unexpected turn of events. Don't miss out on more exclusive insights and celebrity drama. Hit that subscribe button now.
Want more Hollywood drama? Hit the bell icon for notifications.